Hey everybody, it's Marianne and I'm doing Acrylic April 2019 and I wanted to show you what I got going. I have a lot of fun doing this. This is tips and tricks. You can get these, understand what all of this is about by going to the Art Sherpa on YouTube. Look up Acrylic April tips and tricks and you can get started with this at any time. And as well, you can also find her on the Art Sherpa in your web browser and go to her site and click on calendar and you'll get all the paintings that we've done so far. It's not too late to start. It's always a great thing to get involved in. You learn about color mixing, perspective, shading, and how to get. I've learned so much in this first week. It's amazing. Now granted, I follow what she does and she's teaching and I'm just following, so I would never have been able to pull this stuff out of my brain ever. I think it's amazing and I hope you'll come and join us and be a part of what we're doing. Wait, I love this part. Look at him, he's so cute. I am so proud of myself. All right, look for the Art Sherpa Acrylic April. Go into the web browser, go to her YouTube channel. I hope to see you there. Be kind, everybody. Remember karma. Take care.